How do humans impact savanna reptiles? If you're curious about how human activities are affecting the reptiles in the savanna, you're in the right place. Let's explore the various ways humans are impacting these fascinating creatures. First, let's talk about habitat loss. When humans convert large areas of savannas into agricultural land or urban developments, it leads to habitat fragmentation and loss for many reptile species. For example, the construction of farms, houses, and factories reduces the natural space available for reptiles like snakes, lizards, and turtles to live and hunt. Overgrazing is another significant issue. As cattle and goats graze excessively, the vegetation in the savanna is depleted, turning parts of the savanna into desert-like conditions. This not only reduces the food sources for herbivorous reptiles, but also eliminates the cover and shelter they need to survive. Woody plants, which are often killed by cattle eating their foliage, are replaced by thorny, animal-repellent trees that are less hospitable to reptiles. Human activities such as hunting and poaching also directly impact reptile populations. While hunting is often targeted at larger mammals, reptiles can become accidental victims or be hunted for their skin, meat, or other body parts. Additionally, the introduction of new animals to the savanna, such as domestic livestock, can lead to competition for resources and habitat, further threatening native reptile species. Climate change and altered fire regimes are also critical factors. Savannas rely on periodic wildfires to maintain their health, but human activities like preventing fires or changing fire frequencies can disrupt this balance. This disruption can lead to the buildup of organic material, resulting in massive uncontrolled fires that decimate flora and fauna, including reptiles. Climate change alters rainfall patterns, making it harder for reptiles to find the right conditions to survive. Tourism, while it can bring economic benefits, also has negative impacts. The construction of roads and hotels disturbs the natural habitats of reptiles and disrupts their breeding grounds. Moreover, the increased human presence can lead to accidental harm or intentional harm to reptiles, further reducing their populations. In terms of positive impacts, there are efforts to protect these reptiles. The establishment of national parks and wildlife reserves provides protected areas where reptiles can thrive without human interference. These conservation efforts also include stricter punishments for poaching and habitat destruction, which help in preserving the biodiversity of the savanna. In summary, human activities such as land conversion, overgrazing, hunting, and climate change significantly impact the reptile populations in the savanna. However, through conservation efforts and the establishment of protected areas, there is hope for preserving these incredible creatures and their habitats.